Combining those two body lotions together will brighten your skin and give you a youthful, glowing complexion. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, today we are going to be talking about how to combine two body lotions together for brightening and anti-aging. So if you want a youthful, glowing, brighter looking skin tone, then make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe, because you're going to be learning so much on this channel. Now, like I told you guys in my previous video on how to pick the right body lotions for your skin, one body lotion alone cannot tackle your skin concern and still give you that beautiful, glowing skin. So combining two body lotions in your routine is actually the game changer that you need to achieve a beautiful looking, glowing skin and also tackle your skin concerns and skin issues at the same time. Now, our goal today is to have a brighter looking skin and at the same time combat aging signs on our skin. So in other words, you're looking to achieve a brighter, glowing skin and at the same time maintain a youthful looking skin tone regardless of your complexion. So whether you're a dark or fair person, this particular combo is going to brighten up your skin and also give you a youthful, glowing skin. Now, one powerful duo that I personally have tested, trusted, and confirmed is combining the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Body Lotion with this Advanced Clinicals Retinol Body Lotion is what you definitely need to be using or combining in your routine if you really want to have a brighter, glowing skin and still maintain a healthy, youthful looking skin tone. This is something that is suitable for all skin types and is going to glow your complexion and make your skin look youthful and ever glowing. I actually thought to plug you guys to this combo and teach you how you can use it to achieve that perfect, brighter, glowing skin. This is something that have worked for me, and I've also recommended this combo for certain clients, and even my sister is actually using this combo right now. And I'm going to tell you something for a fact: using these two products in your routine is going to give you that beautiful, glowing skin. So before I go ahead to show you guys how you can combine or use these two products together, let's take a look at each of those products, what they stand to give your skin and how they perform individually. Let's take it one after the other. This Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Brightening Cream is a very nice body lotion that is packed with vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. And you guys know that vitamin C is one skincare ingredient that is well known for brightening up the skin and is also going to help fade your dark spots and enhance your skin's natural radiance. So if you're looking to brighten up your complexion, you can actually use this. And if you're someone battling with a dull looking skin, maybe your skin was glowing and all of a sudden is looking darker and is no longer giving like it used to, then this Advanced Clinicals is something that will help you brighten up your skin and regain your skin's radiance. There's no need buying all those harsh bleaching creams to use on your skin to gain back your skin color. Just use this particular body lotion, be consistent with it, and by the time you're done with the first or second bottle, you're definitely going to be seeing results. So in other words, this Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Body Cream is perfect for skin brightening. So if you're looking to brighten up your dull skin, this is a body cream you should be using. In other words, this Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Brightening Cream is a very nice body lotion that is suitable for all skin types. A dry skin person can use this, someone with a normal skin can use the combination skin and all of that. And it's also perfect for someone with a dark skin, fair skin, and chocolate skin tone. So this is a very nice body lotion that will brighten up your complexion regardless of the shade or skin tone you are in. So if you're looking to achieve a brighter skin tone, cop this body lotion. It's going to brighten up your skin tone and give you a radiant, beautiful, glowing skin. While this Advanced Clinicals Retinol Advanced Feminine Cream contains retinol as its active ingredient. This is an anti-aging body cream. If you're conversant with retinol, you will know that retinol is one anti-aging skincare ingredient that is going to boost your skin collagen. See, once you get to the age of 20s or your mid-20s, your skin begins to lose 1% of its collagen every year. So in other words, as you're getting older, your skin is losing its elasticity and suppleness. So for you to be able to maintain a youthful, radiant, glowing skin, you need to incorporate skincare ingredients that would help with anti-aging. You need products that will be able to boost your skin's collagen and add back that youthfulness into your skin and make your skin not to thin out quickly. So using this retinol body lotion is a perfect way for you to maintain a youthful, radiant, glowing skin. And guys, when you pair vitamin C and retinol together in the same skincare routine, both of them is actually going to help boost your skin's elasticity and give you a beautiful, radiant, youthful, glowing skin. So by using these two body lotions together, your skin is going to look so much brighter, radiant, youthful, and glowing. Now I need you guys to understand that I'm not just recommending this body lotions for you guys. This is something that I personally have tried, and when I say I have tried it, my sister have been using this product for close to 1 year now. In fact, I'm going to tell you one thing for a fact. Like, when you combine those two products together, just give it a period of 2 to 3 months and you're going to see a visible difference on your skin. Your skin is going to look absolutely smooth, uniform, even toned, and glowing. So many people will be complimenting your skin because this right here is going to give you a youthful, uniform, glowing skin. So if you're someone battling with hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, skin discoloration, and you're just wondering what body lotions to use, my dear, just go and pair these two products together and you're going to understand. These are products that understands the assignment and is going to give you a beautiful, bright, uniform skin. These two body lotions combo will not bleach your skin or damage your skin. These are combos that will brighten your skin and give you a youthful, smooth, beautiful, glowing skin tone. You're going to love the effect on your skin. Now, I know you're already wondering, Judith, how do I combine those vitamin C and retinol body creams in my routine to have the best results? Well, if you want to get the best results with pairing or combining those two body lotions together, you need to use your Advanced Clinicals vitamin C body lotions in your morning routine during the day and use this Advanced Clinicals retinol body lotions at night. Now, when you are applying each of these body lotions, you need to ensure that your skin is properly cleansed. And when I say cleansed, have a good shower. Make sure you have a good brightening soap in your routine or body wash and use it to shower. Make sure you exfoliate your skin once or twice weekly, not more than 2 times weekly, please. To apply the Advanced Clinicals vitamin C cream, you need to apply this particular body lotion immediately you come out from the shower. When your skin is still wet or damp, that is when I advise you go in with this brightening cream. Please do not apply this vitamin C body lotion on a dry skin. It's not going to deeply penetrate into your skin. Ensure you are applying it when your body is still wet or when you still have like small water on your body. That way, the body cream is going to deeply penetrate into your skin and lock in moisture into your skin and also give you the best results out of it. Immediately you are done applying the vitamin C body cream, you can go ahead and lock in all those moisture using your body oil. Any body oil you're using, you can use it to lock in moisture, or you can also get the Advanced Clinicals oil and lock in moisture. Is a perfect combo that will help to brighten and glow your skin. So ensure you use this during the day. Now, for the Advanced Clinicals retinol body cream, guys, I would definitely advise using this at night in your skincare routine. This is not a product you misuse. This is a product you use only at night. You're not supposed to use this during the day because it contains retinol, and retinol is something that can make your skin sensitive to the sun. For the Advanced Clinicals retinol cream, you want to apply this particular cream when your skin is already dried. Once you come out from the shower, you want to ensure you use your towel to dry out your body. Make sure that all the water on your skin is fully dried before applying this particular retinol body lotion. Do not apply this cream on a wet skin. It's best applied on a dry skin. You can take a little amount of this and then massage it into your skin. It's a body lotion that is so moisturizing. It's going to easily get absorbed into your skin. And once you're done applying your retinol body lotion, I would definitely advise you go in with a body oil to seal in the moisture and prevent skin dryness as well. Now, if you're new to using retinol, I would advise you start out by using it 2 or 3 times weekly. Use it on Monday, skip Tuesday, use on Wednesday, skip Thursday, use on Friday, and that is it. Do not use this more than 3 times weekly if you're new to using retinol. This particular cream can actually be used every night, so you want to start out gradually and use it in your routine if you're just new. And maybe after a week or two of using it 2 or 3 times weekly, you can then jump to using it every other night. Now, if you're using or pairing these 2 body lotions together, I would advise using a sunscreen during the day. Another thing I would like you to take note of if you're combining those body lotions together is that they should not be mixed together in the same routine, because I know a lot of you are already used to mixing your body lotions. Please do not mix this vitamin C and retinol body cream together. It's actually going to counteract on your skin and you might not like it, because retinol and vitamin C do not go well together to be used in the same routine. So please use them alternatively like I have stated. For those of you that will be wondering, Judith, how am I supposed to know if this combo is working or if it's going to work for me? Well, if you really want to know if this combo is working, before you venture into starting or using this combo, just go by your window or go outside your house, do a video, or you can take a picture of yourself before starting out this combo. And after a period of 2 weeks, 2 months, take another picture and compare the 2 pictures. That way you can easily measure your progress with this body lotion. Instead of jumping from one body lotion to another, just combine these 2 body lotions together and you're going to love the effect on your skin. I hope you learned a thing or two from today's video. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. It's actually free of charge, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.